In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a web animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to Home, go to New Slide, insert a blank slide. Let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Now again, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this, and go to Shape Style, select this style, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. So here is my two shapes, this one and this one. Let me place it over here. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a text box and drag it like this. Now I have to write something here, Online Education 360. Change the font from Agency FB or any other font. Let me bold it. Go to Shape Format, go to Word Art Styles, select this style, go to Home, make it bold and increase the font size from here. Now select this and place it center. Now select the background shape and the text box and go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Subtract. Now let me select the shape, go to Shape Effect, go to Preset, click on this preset, Preset 2. Now let me place it like this. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, go to Online Picture, write Web GIF, search it and let me select this one, click on Insert. Remove this section, place it here and make it bigger like this. Now let me click on right button, click on Send to Back. Now select this shape, go to Animation, go to Add Animation, click on Disappear, on click. Now let me place the shape like this. So if I want to watch the slideshow, what will actually happen? Let me click on Slideshow and let me click on Space button. So here you will see my web animation. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.